In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open and rasterize an SVG in Photoshop. If you've ever received a crisp vector logo or icon in SVG format and need to work with it in Photoshop, this walkthrough will show you how to open it correctly and choose the right resolution so it looks sharp in your final project. First, launch Photoshop. Give it a moment to load your workspace and panels. It doesn't matter which workspace you're in for this task, but having the main document area and the layers panel visible will make it easier to preview and work once the file is open. Next, go to File, then Open. You can also use the shortcut Ctrl+O on Windows or Command+O on Mac if that's faster for you. In the file browser that appears, navigate to the folder where your SVG is saved. If you don't see it, make sure the file type filter is set to show SVG files. Select your .svg file and click Open. At this point, Photoshop will prompt you to rasterize the vector artwork. This is where you're converting infinitely scalable paths into fixed pixels, so the resolution you choose really matters. You'll see options for width, height, and resolution. Think about where the image will be used. For screens or web, 72 to 150 pixels per inch is common. For print, 300 pixels per inch is a standard starting point. You can type in a precise width and height in pixels, inches, or centimeters, and Photoshop will adjust the other values accordingly. If you're unsure, start larger than you think you need. It's always safer to scale down later than to scale up and risk blurring. You may also see options like anti-aliased edges, which helps smooth curves and diagonal lines, and a preview that shows you how the rasterized result will look at the chosen size. Take a moment to zoom into the preview and check fine details like thin lines or text. When you're satisfied, confirm to rasterize. Photoshop will then open the SVG as a pixel-based document at the resolution you selected. From here, you can edit it like any other image, apply filters, add layers, or composite it into other projects. Remember, once rasterized, scaling up will reduce quality, so keep your original SVG stored safely in case you need to reopen it at a different size later. That's it, you've launched